A merchant has 100 kg of sugar, part of which he sells at 7% profit and the rest at 17% profit. He gains 10% on the whole. Find how much is sold at 7% profit. Now, these kind of questions can easily be done by the concept of alligation. The first profit percentage we can write in the top left corner. The second profit percentage we can write in the top right corner. And the overall profit percentage or the profit percentage on the whole we can write down in middle. Now we just do cross subtraction. So 17 minus 10 we have 7 and 10 minus 7 we have 3. So the total quantity 100 kg is distributed in the ratio 7 is to 3. Now we want to find out how much is sold at 7% profit. Now we can easily find it out. The number corresponding to 7% profit is 7. So 7 upon 7 plus 3, that is 10, into the total quantity, that is 100. That gives us our answer 70 kgs. So 70 kgs is sold at 7% profit. The remaining, that is 30 kg, is sold at 17% profit.